Hello everyone, welcome to a small terrible channel. Today we're going to have a tutorial on how to screen record. So all you have to do, you open your browser and type screencast-o-matic.com. Again, screencast-o-matic.com. After that, you are prompted with this box. Your screen will look like this. So all you have to do is you are going to click launch free recorder. After that, your screen will look like this. Okay, there's the broken line around the screen. You can actually adjust the screen depending on what part of the screen are you going to record. After that, if you're ready, just click this one so that this box here will be minimized. Then you click the red button, the record button. After that, you're going to start recording now. So if you're done, just click again. The red here will become blue. So just click on it and it will stop. After that, there's another button here. You just click done. After you have it done, you may choose to edit the video you have created, and you may choose to add some background music. So there are music available already, but you may also choose your own music, the one according to your choice. After that, you may upload it directly to YouTube, but I've tried to save it first in my flash drive, and after that, that's the time that I'm going to upload it to YouTube. That's so simple. So thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you learned something.